You sabi auntie? You sabi? We do ya, you say con cardio. Remember ko burger na go boy. You do ya, you say con cardio. Remember ko burger got no money ya. You do ya, you say con cardio. Remember ko burger na bingo me. You do ya, you say con cardio. You sabi? I don't sabi. No sabi. Auntie ask me na sonti and no sabi na sabi. You always sabi sonti.
We sabi something.
You want sabi sonti?
We sabi.
You sabi? Okay. No, me no boss a man, you know, but we got one little something. And sometimes he talk to me too.
You talk to yourself?
Yep. Hello? Yeah. Good evening. Well, having business are different something from this. Now this is a bugle for the Maroons. And whenever time, we have a message to send. We send it by this. By talking in our language. Okay, but you have to learn the language so you know what I say.
What language is that, Kromanti?
You got Kromanti language. We got Timbambo, we got Yang, we got Dokose. Windandu.
Windandu?
Windandu, Dekose.
Windandu?
When a man last, in the wood over there, you blow this. Tell him same last. And when we go there, when somebody go there, find him. We am blue and tell me say them find him. When they find him, they tell me say, me sure we you. That means me see the man. If he's alive, I say me sure we you. Me see a man dead. Me see the man alive. If he's dead, I say, oh, you. Me sure you. Me see your mandi. And me see your mandi pete. That means say dead. Chamu yetu.
Learn. So, I mean, when you and other speakers and the colonel here, dies, how is the heritage going to carry on?
Well, I want to tell you, it is not one section, No. You have Hampongtong, you have Skachal, you have Charles Brown, and you got Moortown. So it's not one place. So when one don't say it, the other say it.
So wouldn't you want to continue the heritage in Moortown?
In Moortown? Yes. And we are going to do it. We are going to continue.
When Mr. Bernard and the one or two other tradition bearers leave us, who will be there to speak the half that should be spoken? Will the Kromanti language and its traditions survive in the presence of all the trappings of modern life, such as the mobile telephone? The facts on the ground don't look too good, but now tell me what to do.